Birmingham, a city of industry, a city of innovation, and a city built on water. Few sites are more evocative of Birmingham's past than its network of canals. These watery arteries once pulsed with the lifeblood of the Industrial Revolution. They carried raw materials and finished goods, connecting Birmingham to the wider world. Today, the canals offer a different kind of energy. They are peaceful havens in the heart of the city. Walk along the towpaths and you'll see a different side of Birmingham. Gone are the smoke and grime of the industrial age. In their place, you'll find vibrant art spaces, independent businesses, and colourful narrowboats. These waterways are not just remnants of the past, they are very much a part of Birmingham's present and future. They offer a unique perspective on the city's heritage, and they continue to inspire artists, writers, and visitors alike. The canals were Birmingham's lifeblood during the Industrial Revolution. Before the railways, canals were the most efficient way to move goods. Birmingham, lacking a major river, needed a way to transport its manufactured goods. The solution? An ambitious network of canals. These canals connected Birmingham to the rest of the country. Coal from the Black Country could be brought in to fuel the factories. Manufactured goods could be shipped out to markets across Britain and beyond. The canals were more than just transport routes, they were also a source of power. Water wheels powered mills and factories along the canal banks. This access to cheap, reliable power was crucial to Birmingham's industrial growth. The canals transformed Birmingham. They helped the city grow from a small market town into a major industrial centre. Constructing Birmingham's canal network was a monumental task. It involved digging miles of channels through often difficult terrain. Thousands of labourers, known as navvies, toiled to create these waterways. They used simple tools, such as picks and shovels, to move vast quantities of earth. The canals were lined with bricks, made locally in the Black Country. These bricks, still visible today, are a testament to the skill of the canal builders. Locks, ingenious feats of engineering, were built to overcome changes in elevation. Over the years, the canal network expanded and evolved. New branches were added to reach new industrial areas. Warehouses and factories sprung up along the canal banks. The canals became a hive of activity, with narrowboats laden with goods navigating the waterways day and night. Today, Birmingham's canals are enjoying a renaissance. No longer dominated by industry, they are now havens for leisure and recreation. Narrowboats, once workhorses of the industrial age, are now popular homes and holiday boats. The towpaths, once used by horses pulling barges, are now popular with walkers and cyclists. They offer tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Cafes and pubs line the canal banks, offering refreshments and picturesque views. The canals are also becoming hubs for arts and culture. Former industrial buildings have been transformed into galleries, theatres, and music venues. The canals provide a unique backdrop for events and festivals throughout the year. Birmingham's canals are a testament to the city's rich industrial heritage. They are also a vibrant part of the city's present and future.